A GrowBlox medical grow facility can quickly be installed inside any warehouse in any legal state in the country, like here in Nevada. Starting from the top, we install solar panels to generate power and keep our carbon footprint to a minimum. Let's go inside a GrowBlox facility and see how the GrowBlox works. The GrowBlox was specifically designed and engineered to produce the optimal environmental growing conditions for medical cannabis cultivation. It is the first chamber of its kind with the ability to monitor and control the growth process required to produce consistent, high-grade medicinal marijuana products. Each GrowBlox chamber is fully enclosed, containing an individual plant. Isolating the plants protects them from the harmful environmental conditions that may contaminate the medical-grade plants growing inside. Infestations such as insects and mites, harmful contaminants like pesticides and herbicides can easily compromise the consistency and efficacy of the end product. Each module contains specialized LED lights running vertically on the inside chamber of the doors. This vertical lighting configuration produces more product per plant and delivers the precise light spectrums the plant needs for expedited growth. It also uses 50% less power than the traditional HPS lights. Continuous production is accomplished through independent operation of adjacent chambers. Each growing chamber measures 4 feet by 4 feet by 6.5 feet tall, and a 2-chamber module combines for a total growing space of 4 feet by 8 feet by 6.5 feet tall. One plant is grown per chamber, and one reservoir services both plants. Our system uses less water than any other growing system or technique. In this system, the plants are fed using peristaltic pumps and IV bags. Each nutrient is dosed individually and fed into the clean water. After the plants are top-fed, the water is then collected into a second reservoir below. The AeroVapor equipment uses that collected water in the reservoir to create a 5-micron vapor and blends it with growth-stimulating oxygen to keep the roots healthy, optimally nourished, and free from decay. This also means that absolutely no gray water is released back into the environment. The air in the GrowBlox is circulated once a minute, allowing the chamber to expel heat and keep the plant at a comfortable 74 degrees. We use an internal air conditioner to cool the water and the air inside the GrowBlox. Our patent-pending heat exchanger also allows us to keep different temperature settings in the air and the water, creating the ideal growing conditions for the plant. We also regulate and control CO2 levels in each chamber. Because the chambers are controlled environments, we always set them at the optimal growing range. Both medical-grade HEPA and carbon filters are used to keep out any airborne pathogens and to stop any odors. Our integrated intelligent control system continuously monitors, manages, records, and analyzes the operation for optimal growth. Remote access capabilities enable growers to easily monitor from a smartphone, computer, or a central command viewing station. The control system capabilities include programmable dosing of nutrients for each feeding, adjusting the light spectrum of the LED system and lighting schedule, modifying the temperature, water, and CO2, a camera in each chamber to monitor and enhance security of the plants inside, and collecting data about each harvest in order to optimize grow times and harvest yields. The GrowBlox Medical Growing Chamber is the only one of its kind that can reproduce consistent, reliable medical strains of cannabis while monitoring and recording every aspect of the plant's life cycle. This enables patients to receive only the best medical-grade cannabis products.